Creating animated cartoon videos might sound like a complex task, but with AI tools like Animaker, you can create professional-looking animations in just a few minutes. In this tutorial, I'll guide you step by step on how to use this free and beginner-friendly tool to bring your ideas to life. Let's get started. Step 1. Understanding Animaker. Animaker is a free AI-powered video creation tool designed for animations. It comes with a drag-and-drop interface, pre-designed templates, and an extensive library of characters, backgrounds, and props. Whether you're creating explainer videos, cartoon sketches, or educational content, Animaker simplifies the process. The free version offers a range of features that allow you to create impressive animated videos without spending a penny. Step 2. Signing up for Animaker. To start, visit www.animaker.com and click on the Sign Up Free button. You can sign up using your email or directly log in via Google or Facebook. Once you've logged in, you'll land on an intuitive dashboard where you can either start a new project or browse through templates to kickstart your video. Step 3. Starting a new animated cartoon video. You can choose from a variety of pre-made templates or start with a blank canvas. For beginners, I recommend selecting a template that matches the theme of your video. Templates come preloaded with animations, characters, and scenes, which makes it easier to customize your project. Step 4. Adding scenes and backgrounds. Every animated story needs the right setting, and Animaker offers a wide selection of backgrounds to choose from. Use the timeline editor to structure your video into different scenes. For each scene, drag and drop a background from the library, whether it's a cityscape, a park, or a classroom. The tool provides plenty of options to bring your story to life. Step 5. Animations and text. To make your cartoon video dynamic, add animations to your characters and objects. Simply select an element on the canvas, open the animation menu, and choose an action, like walking, waving, or jumping. You can also add dialogue, captions, or speech bubbles by using the text tool. Sync these animations and text with the timeline editor to create a seamless flow in your video. Step 6. Previewing and exporting your video. Once you've added all the elements, preview your video by clicking the preview button. This step allows you to ensure that everything flows smoothly, from character movements to timing. After making any necessary adjustments, export your video by clicking export. You can download the video in 720p resolution for free. Now your animated cartoon video is ready to share on platforms like YouTube or social media. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy to follow guides. Let me know in the comments if there's a specific tool or topic you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching and happy animating.